Let us do this question. In this case, reading is shown by two spring balances. So there is whenever spring balance question comes, if a spring is attached like this, so weight mg will be acting downwards. Spring force will be pulling it upwards. Okay. So spring force is equals to that weight mg. That is how spring balance will be measuring the weight of the body. Okay. So spring force is equals to mg, or mass of the body if you want, that is spring force divided by g, that will do spring force divided by g, that is going to give you the mass of the body. Okay, fine. Sure. Now, in this diagram, it says that there are two springs that are attached. There are how many springs? There are two springs that are attached onto that. So, first spring, it is like this. Second spring is like this. So, we can do it in two cases. Either the observer is present inside the lift or the observer is present outside the lift. Both ways, it is going to be same. Let us do in the condition of observer is present inside the lift. Let us draw FBD first. When a lift is going upwards with a 10 meter per second square, what all forces will be present? So when the lift is going upwards, naturally, the weight of this body will be acting downwards. That is, mg is acting downwards. When mg is acting downwards, this spring force is putting a S1 upwards. Okay, S1 will be in upward direction. Then, if this spring is pulling upwards, naturally, what will happen if this spring is pulling upwards? This spring, the downward spring, the S2 will also be in this direction. The S2 will be in upward direction. So, as the weight mg is pulling it downwards, so this body wants to come downwards, it will compress the spring. When the compression is present, the spring force of the downward spring will be in upward direction. Spring force of the upward one will be in upward direction. So both S1 and S2 are in the upward direction. That you have to understand. Okay. So there is nothing simple. It is like, see, this mg is the weight that wants to pull this block downwards. So the block is moving downwards. If the block is moving downwards, what will happen? The second spring will get compressed. The first spring will get expanded. As the first spring is getting expanded, spring force is acting upwards. As the second spring is compressed, the spring force is again acting upwards. So S1 and S2 both are acting upwards. Okay, S1 and S2 both are acting in upward direction. Next. As this observer is also moving with a 10 meter per second square, and the entire system is at rest, so we have to apply a pseudo force in this direction, which is m into 10. Okay, so this entire system is at rest. So I can write S1 plus S2 must be equal to mg plus m into 10. This is what you have to write. Okay, then only this system is balanced. S1 he has given, it is reading is showing 90 kg. So S1 would be how much? That would be 900 plus S2 is showing 30 kg. That means it is 300 newtons. Mg weight, what is the mg weight? It is given. He's asking mass of weight. Mg, we need to find out 10 into F. 10 into F. Okay. So 900 plus 300 is 1200 is equals to, if I take mass common, that would be 20. So this and this goes to once 260. So mass of the body is equals to 60 kg. 60 kg is the mass of the body. 60 kg is the mass of the body. The answer for this would be 60. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. Thank you.